My name is Nitin Mishra. I am from BTech CSIML, and this is my PPT on BEEE. The topic is self-excited versus separately excited generators. So, firstly, introduction to the DC generators. What is DC generators? They convert mechanical energy into direct electrical current. It is vital in many power systems. Why is excitation important? First of all, excitation produces the magnetic field, which is essential for the production of EMF. Now, types of excitation: self-excited generator and separately excited generator. Self-excited generators generally use their own output to energize the field winding, and separately excited generator generally relies on the DC source, external DC source. Now, self-excited generator, they have residual magnetism, sufficient residual magnetism to start the process, and current flows to the output current flows to the field winding, and field buildup. Stronger magnetic field builds, increasing output voltage. Now, separately excited generator, first of all, they have external DC source for the field winding, and constant excitation. Excitation remains constant independent of output generator, and voltage control, offer superior voltage control to the stability. Key differences: on basis of source of excitation, self-excited generator have their own output and separately use external DC sources. On basis of control over voltage, self-excited generator have limited and separately excited generator have high due to independence of output. And dependency on residual magnetism, self-excited generator generally depend on them and separately doesn't. Complexity: self-excited generator are simpler and separately excited generator are more complex compared to them. Cost: self-excited generator are cheaper and separately excited generator are more expensive. Now comes to the application. self-excited generator बैटरी चार्जिंग सिस्टम्स और पावर स्केलिंग जनरेशन या फिर सिंपली जो कॉस्ट इफेक्टिव सोल्यूशन होता है उनमें यूज़ होता है. सेल्फ एक्साइटेड जो सेपरेटली एक्साइटेड जनरेटर होते हैं वो प्रिसाइज कंट्रोल या एसेंशियल जो इंडस्ट्रियल वर्क होता है उनमें यूज़ होते हैं, जिनमें कि एक प्रिसाइज चाहिए रहता है. इसके बाद कंक्लूजन: सेल्फ एक्साइटेड जनरेटर होते हैं वो सिंपल होते हैं, कॉस्ट इफेक्टिव होते हैं, आइडियल होते हैं बेसिक नीड्स के लिए, जो कि रिलाई करते हैं रेसिडुअल मैग्नेटिज्म पे. उसके बाद आता है सेल्फ एक्साइटेड जनरेटर जो कि बेटर कंट्रोल ऑफर करते हैं, बेटर स्टेबिलिटी ऑफर करते हैं और इंडिपेंडेंस होते हैं, परफेक्ट होते हैं प्रिसाइज एप्लीकेशन के लिए. थैंक यू.